Doorbell camera scanned your neighbor's face 200 times this month. They never consented. Oh, 100 million doorbells have been sold in the United States. They'll just record visitors. They continuously capture anyone passing within their field of view. Neighbors, delivery workers, children, pedestrians. Has partnered with over 2,000 law enforcement agencies. Police can request for it without a warrant. In 2022, Amazon disclosed it had handed Ring footage to police 11 times without user consent, citing emergencies. Modern doorbell cameras increasingly use facial recognition. Google familiar face detection that learns